everyone. I'm here with Dr. Steve Dayan, who's a facial plastic surgeon from Chicago and one of my favorite doctors.
I'll take that.
So Dr. Dayan, I'm so happy that I'm on the other side of interviewing you for a change.
Yep.
But one of the things I wanted to ask you was, we've worked together for a long time. Over that time period, what have you really seen change that patients are coming and asking for? And what do you think is driving that change?
That's a great question, Megan. And there's been so much change in the last 15 years. Significantly changes that we're seeing younger patients come in. There's no doubt there's younger patients coming in who are looking to be beautified. They're not just looking to look more youthful, they want to be more pretty, more beautiful. And I think a lot of that's driven by the Hollywood types that are doing that. And that's of interest,
Yeah. And companies now, we're here at the Aesthetic Innovation Summit, so there are a lot of more established companies and new companies. Is there a treatment or a problem that you really feel like you want a company to solve or bring to market that doesn't currently exist?
That's a great question. And it was interesting. I was in an ad board recently, an advisory board, and we're sitting in the room, and the company brings out all these products, and they say to us, which one of these products do you like best? And I was like, well, let's reverse this. Let's take no products out there. Tell me what I need and what my patients want. And if you were to go from that perspective with nothing in there, just a wide open, just think, well, my patients want no downtime, they want no pain, they want results that look authentic or genuine. I don't believe in the concept of natural. I think that's a misnomer. They want to look authentic or genuine, and they want it to be a low price. Now find it. Go. That's how starting from the premise that that's what they want, then let's go from there.
I think that's a great point, because I think a lot of times companies don't think about that.
No, because they have their products like, well, how does this fit into your practice? I'm like, it really doesn't. It's not anything different. I gave you the 4 things, find that, and now let's work from there.
And on that note, so when you do decide to bring a new product or new treatment or device into your practice, what kinds of things do you need to come with that device? Is it a strong marketing plan, strong clinicals, other KOLs recommending it?
All right, so these are all great questions. In my experience, there's not much that it takes for a product to catch on fire. And the reality is if you get a strong advisory board that can really direct you in the proper way with some really strong voices and key opinion leaders who are respected and trusted, that product will take off no matter what. Regardless of all the marketing they put in or the booth space, it's getting those advisors to really help you direct it and to be confident in the product. Having said that, the product's got to be good, or eventually it fails, right? So the product's got to be good. After that, the second adopters, then it will continue to grow if the product's good and if it meets the demands of the patients and the physician. And now remember, plastic surgeons are different from dermatologists, they're different from aesthetic medicine doctors. We think differently, we act differently, we need different outcomes. We have different patients that come to us, so I would urge a company to take all that into consideration when they bring a product to market.
That's great. Thank you so much for being with me today.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.